Create your dream bathroom with the Scudo Empire Anthracite Vanity unit with Basin. This beautiful anthracite floor-standing bathroom vanity unit adds modern charm to your bathroom and complements any decor. The unit comes fully assembled, saving you time and effort during installation. Featuring two soft closed doors and an internal shelf, this vanity unit helps organize all your bathroom essentials. The ceramic basin provides a smooth and easy-to-clean surface for your daily needs. Made from moisture-resistant materials, this vanity unit is long-lasting and perfect for a busy bathroom environment. Complete the look by adding matching units from our range and uplift your bathroom into a breathtaking haven of peace. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Bathroom Furniture range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.